English conversations to improve speaking skills. Planning the perfect weekend.
Hey Alice, how's it going?
Hi Tom, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. With the weekend approaching,
Approaching means getting closer, so if we say the weekend is approaching, it means it's getting closer and closer.
with the weekend approaching, I've been thinking it might be a great opportunity to plan something fun with friends or family.
Opportunity means a chance or a possibility to do something.
I've been thinking it might be a great opportunity to plan something fun with friends or family. What do you think?
That sounds like an awesome idea. Weekends are perfect for spending quality time with loved ones.
Spending means using money to buy things or using time to do something. For example, when you hang out with friends, you are spending time with them.
Weekends are perfect for spending quality time with loved ones. Do you have any specific plans in mind?
Specific means exact or particular. For example, if you ask for a specific toy, you want one exact toy, not just any toy.
Do you have any specific plans in mind?
Well, I thought we could organize a little outdoor gathering.
Gathering means a group of people coming together. For example, a family gathering is when family members come together for a meal or event.
Well, I thought we could organize a little outdoor gathering. Maybe a picnic or barbecue at the park. It would be a chance for everyone to relax. Enjoy some good food and have fun together.
I love the sound of that. Bringing people together outdoors is always a recipe for a good time.
Bringing means taking something or someone with you to a place. A recipe for a good time, for example, good friends, good food, and fun activities are all part of the recipe for a good time.
Bringing people together outdoors is always a recipe for a good time. Who were you thinking of inviting?
I was thinking we could invite our close friends Mike and Sarah. And perhaps your cousin Julie too.
Perhaps means maybe or possibly.
And perhaps your cousin Julie too. It would be great to catch up with everyone.
Catch up means to talk with someone you haven't seen in a while and share news about your lives.
It would be great to catch up with everyone. And create some memorable moments.
Memorable means something you remember well or something that sticks in your mind because it was special or important.
And create some memorable moments.
Absolutely. I'll reach out to them and see if they're available.
Reach out means to make contact with someone, usually to communicate or offer help or support.
I'll reach out to them and see if they're available. Now, let's talk about the food and drinks. Do you need any assistance with planning that aspect?
Aspect means a specific part or feature of something. For example, if you're talking about a house, the color of the walls or the size of the rooms are different aspects of the house.
Do you need any assistance with planning that aspect?
Thanks for offering.
Offering means giving something to someone or making something available. For example, If a store has a special offering, it means they are providing something unique or valuable.
Thanks for offering. I'm planning to bring some classic barbecue essentials like burgers, hot dogs, and beverages.
Essentials are things that are absolutely necessary or important. Beverages are drinks. It includes things like water, juice, soda, tea, and coffee.
I'm planning to bring some classic barbecue essentials like burgers, hot dogs, and beverages. Maybe we can suggest that others bring side dishes or desserts to share.
That sounds like a good idea. I can prepare a fresh salad and some delicious snacks to complement the main dishes.
Prepare means to get ready for something or to make something ready for use. For example, if you prepare a meal, you cook the food and set the table so it's ready to eat.
I can prepare a fresh salad and some delicious snacks to complement the main dishes. Also, we should consider dietary preferences and allergies when planning the menu.
To consider means to think about something carefully before making a decision or forming an opinion. Preferences are the things that you like more than others. For example, if you prefer chocolate ice cream over vanilla, chocolate is your preference.
Also, we should consider dietary preferences and allergies when planning the menu.
Good point. We'll make sure to have some vegetarian and gluten-free options available.
Gluten-free means that a food doesn't have gluten. Some people can't eat gluten because it makes them sick.
We'll make sure to have some vegetarian and gluten-free options available. Additionally, we should bring along disposable plates, cups, utensils, and napkins for convenience.
Disposable means something you use once and then throw away. For example, disposable plates and cups are used one time and then thrown in the trash. Convenience means something that makes things easier or more comfortable for you. For example, having a microwave is a convenience because it makes cooking faster and simpler.
We should bring along disposable plates, cups, utensils, and napkins for convenience.
Agreed. It's important to think about the details to make sure the gathering goes well and is fun.
Gathering means a group of people coming together for a meeting or event. For example, a family gathering is when family members come together to spend time with each other.
It's important to think about the details to make sure the gathering goes well and is fun. What about entertainment? Any thoughts on that?
Entertainment means activities or things that make people have fun or feel happy. Examples include movies, music, games, and shows.
What about entertainment? Any thoughts on that?
I was thinking of bringing some outdoor games like a frisbee and a football. We could also encourage others to bring their favorite games or activities to share.
Encourage means to make someone feel more confident and willing to do something. For example, if you encourage someone, you might say nice things to them to help them feel good and want to try.
We could also encourage others to bring their favorite games or activities to share. And your idea of having music playing in the background is perfect.
Awesome. I'll bring a portable speaker and curate a playlist with a mix of everyone's favorite songs.
Portable means something that is easy to carry or move around. For example, a portable speaker is a speaker you can take with you anywhere. Curate means to carefully choose and organize items. For example, if you curate a playlist, you pick and arrange the songs in a specific order.
I'll bring a portable speaker and curate a playlist with a mix of everyone's favorite songs. Music always adds to the ambience and keeps the energy high.
Ambience means the mood or atmosphere of a place. For example, a cozy cafe might have a warm and friendly ambience.
Music always adds to the ambience and keeps the energy high. So, it's settled then.
Settled means decided or agreed upon. For example, if plans are settled, it means everyone has agreed on what to do.
So, it's settled then. We'll plan for a picnic at the park this Saturday afternoon. I'll handle the invitations and logistics.
I can't wait to spend the day outdoors, surrounded by good company and good vibes.
Surrounded means having things or people all around you. For example, if you are surrounded by friends, it means friends are all around you. Good vibes is short for vibrations and is used informally to describe the atmosphere or feeling of a place or situation. For example, if someone says good vibes, they mean that the atmosphere feels positive and enjoyable.
I can't wait to spend the day outdoors, surrounded by good company and good vibes.
It's going to be a fantastic day filled with laughter, delicious food, and cherished memories.
Cherished means something that is really loved or valued. It's like something very special or important to you.
It's going to be a fantastic day filled with laughter, delicious food, and cherished memories. I'll make sure to send out the invitations soon and keep everyone updated on the details.
Perfect. I'm already looking forward to it.